This video describes a capstone project which we did at the end of a Kaggle Gen AI course. The project comes after 5 days of webinars. Each day typically also featured a couple of code labs. In the code labs, we were given some code to copy and edit in order to learn several Gen AI techniques. These techniques included simpler features such as prompting, understanding of documents, images, audio, and video. Next, we learned about function calling, agents, grounding, etc. And finally, we learned about RAGs, vector databases, and MLOps. In this video, we will focus on the simple techniques, leaving the medium level and advanced techniques for future videos. Let's begin with the simplest idea of prompting. Obtaining information has traditionally meant going to a search engine such as Google and entering some search terms. After some trial and error, we get a link to the result we want. Prompting is similar, except that the prompts are processed by LLM, short for large language model. These models are trained on enormous amounts of text and, at least at first glance, seem to know everything. And they speak English or whatever language yours happens to be and can formulate responses in that language. They are powered by transformer models which use encoders, decoders, and generative AI to produce sensible output using the databases based on billions of parameters. As already mentioned, we will use prompting to query Google's Gemini model and get answers to simple questions. First, we ask the system to explain in simple terms what is quantum teleportation. We find the response to be interesting, so we ask deeper questions to guide it to provide more detail. This is few-shot prompting. Next, we will provide it with some documents, which are physics papers on the topic, and find that it provides rather nice, readable answers based on the documents using the notebook feature. And believe me, if you hear the notebook audio output, the notebook LM audio output, you'll be blown away. It's just fantastic. Finally, we turn to image comprehension. By giving the system a couple of pictures of items from the fridge and from the spice shelf, we get it to list the items and provide a recipe that can use these. How convenient. And finally, I'd like to add that this is just the beginning. Gemini is capable of so much more, and I can't wait to create another such project using Gen AI for agents, a typical commercial app, and RAGs and databases and MLOps. Thank you very much.